YUGVIR'S cooking channel, YUGVIR'S kitchen. Now it's summertime, as you know, in March, so I like to eat cool things, and the only thing I can think of is popsicles. But my mother doesn't like me to eat too many popsicles because they have a lot of food coloring and it's bad for your throat. So I decided to make healthy popsicles without any food coloring and with fruits. So my mother can't stop me from eating. And we're going to make 3 kinds of popsicles. So for the first popsicle is a watermelon popsicle. Of course we need watermelon juice. If your watermelon is not sweet or you don't want some moisture treat, you can take sugar. So I have sugar because I like the extra sweet. And basil. So first I'm going to switch on my gas. Put it on medium heat and add the orange juice. Now I'm going to add in my basil leaves. So a nice basil texture comes to this popsicle, watermelon popsicle. And then of course we are going to put in the sugar. We are going to use the basil to get a infuse of the watermelon and basil. Like how we blend another color, we get a totally different color. Now I can smell the basil. So we are going to turn off this gas and let this cool before we pop it in the mold. While this is cooling, we are going to start on our other popsicle. So this is the second popsicle, and you may never try this in your life. It's slightly sweet and slightly sour, and it's my favorite. Orange pineapple popsicle. That's what we need. Of course, orange juice and frozen pineapple. A little small piece of ginger and black pepper. So this one is going to be slightly spicy. So let's start. I'm going to put the orange juice in my mixie. The chunks of pineapple. This is my favorite ice cream because pineapple and orange juice is my favorite fruit. It says blend properly. Let me taste it if I have to add anything. Just right. Tangy and sweet. I'm going to put this on the side in the popsicle mold and start on the third popsicle and put the watermelon popsicle too. We've come to the last and final popsicle. For this you only need 2 ingredients, Greek yogurt and mango pulp. So I'm going to put this mango pulp again into my mixie. And the curd. After this, I'm going to put the lid. And blend. Wow, look at that color. Now let me taste it if you need anything else. It's just right. Wow, look at these beautiful colors. It's like I'm playing Holi now. So now I'm going to put these in the popsicle mold. If you don't have a popsicle mold, you can buy it easily on Amazon. Don't put it right at the top because when you put the lid on it, it'll spill. If you have like a 2 popsicle mold like I have, you can put double of them. But I don't have so much of the watermelon one, so I'm not going to do that. I'll skip that. Now I'll put the watermelon. And now the I'm going to pop this in the freezer and let it set overnight. The wait is finally over. 1 night. And now let me taste it. This is the orange pineapple one, I think. It's the mango one, I think. And this. Of course, it's the watermelon one. So I like first the watermelon, then the orange pineapple, and then the mango. Comments down below which one is your favorite. Subscribe to my channel YUGVIR'S Kitchen for more recipes coming up every Saturday 9 o'clock. Bye everyone. See you next time.